Okay, so I'm here. Hello, guys. Namaskar. Very good evening. My name is Hemant. I'm a financial analyst from Olymp Trade broker. So we are here again to discuss some more things, some more strategies, some more ideas, and overall the way of trades. So a warm welcome to all of you guys. Let me give my intro to you. My name is Hemant Modi and I'm a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker, and usually I'm providing the webinars and the meetings to the traders, personal meetings also. So we are providing this webinar for what? To gain some knowledge, to so that traders can learn some more things and get a proper knowledge of the trading and do according to that. So at timely we are providing the webinars to you guys in Hindi, in English, and different languages. Please remember that these webinars is always help you for understand the trading, because Olymp Trade very much wanted you to earn. So before starting the things, I would like to provide you one information. Some of you guys and around the world we are here. We are having a new system, new update of the Olymp Trade. As you already saw that my account on FTT, fixed time trade, I'm having a profit percentage on an expert status which is going to be 93%. And on two assets I'm getting the 93%, on two assets I'm getting the 91%, and other 25 till 80. So this option maybe you have also. So guys, those who have a expert, advanced, or starter status, doesn't matter, you need to go to there on their account section. Whenever your balance is, whenever you click, you will get a small arrow over here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you will have a chance to get the all details. And if you are having these details, please do one thing: just update your account. I kindly request you, please update your account from there. So this is the basic things which I provided to you. And yes, as you already saw that this in the market, we are having some kind of issues now, as many people already know the story of the war against Israel and Palestine. So yes, what is the effect of that news? Let me show you something, guys. Whenever there is this kind of situations happen, like any war or anything, market always react. So most important thing here, which is gold. So on the 6th, market was closed. That was Friday, and the war is starts on Saturday. So when the gold is coming, the market is open on 9th, on Monday. So as you saw the chances, the gold was closed on the Friday on 18th, $18,831. That was a closing. And when we coming here, the opening price is 1847. Means the gold is already up almost $16. The opening price is already up $16. So that is going to be the news. And yes, obviously everything like Brent, USD, JPY, each and everything is going to be affected according to that situation. See the situation, there was a Brent condition which is coming down till 6, and on the 9th there is a slight movement in the Brent, which is around nearby more than $4, around $4.50 in a day. So please always watch the news, think about it, and according to that open the trade. All right, guys, let me inform you, you have many questions, I can understand properly. I kindly request you, please send your all questions in the chat box. I'll definitely give you the answer of each and every questions, but after finishing this topic, and trust me, I will give you the answer properly, don't worry about it. So we are going to discuss about today one more strategy. What is the strategy? Strategy is the basically a technical tool, a computerized tool, which is providing us a kind of beneficial situations in the trading. We can use the strategy for fixed time trade and as well as the forex as well. But strategy doesn't mean that guarantee of the success. That means ki like if you open the trade and you will have a chance to get 100% profitability. No. However, if you're using the strategy, I can say that your profit percentage is going to be increased. If you gonna open the trade according to the strategies, you need to understand the strategies, you need to trust with the strategies and do accordingly, and then definitely you will have a chance to get some profitability with that. Because if I am getting, then also you will have a chance. But practice, the most important thing is practice. So guys, again I'm letting you know, please don't worry, send your questions on the chat box. I saw there is a questions coming, and don't worry, please be with me. I will definitely going to answer each and every question of yours. But let's finish the topic first, and then we will have a much time and we will discuss about it. So today we are discussing about the strategy called Jactar. How to open the strategies and how to work with that strategies. We need to go here. This is the technical analysis option. We need to click on it first, and after the clicking on this technical analysis, if you are using the mobile application, then this option is coming just near to the asset price on that segment, the same symbol of the technical analysis you will get. So you need to click on it. Then 5 sections are coming: indicator, oscillator, drawing tool, strategies, advisor. You need to click to the strategies. Okay, here are the strategies. What are the strategies? Basically, if you are the advanced starter status holder, then you will have this 8 strategies. If you become an advanced status holder, then you will have this 8 strategies as well as the 7 strategies, which is with the green badge. And if you are the expert status, if you reach the most prestigious status of our Olymp Trade, which is called expert status, then you will have a chance to get 8 more strategies. So overall you will have a 23 strategies if you will become an expert status. So there is a one strategy. Every strategy having their own different idea and different type of trading pattern. You need to one by one check it out. We are providing the details even here. So there is a strategy called Jactar. The name of the strategy, Jactar. We clicked on that strategy. After that, what we will get? We will get here one video, which is a very small video, which is not belongs to the not more than 2.5 minutes. Check this video. Why I'm saying this to check this video? Because this video can help you to remember how to open the trade. However, I am also provided you the detail from here. You can check this video, which will be definitely going to save on our channel, Olymp Trade Global, and we will have a chance to get that also. But please, any doubt if in your mind, check that video of short time, or if you want, you can check my video as well. Below that video, there is a basics of the strategy and the components like SMA. The strategy belongs to the only 3 SMAs. Once we enable the strategy, and the strategy is going to set on your account automatically. In that case, like if you don't have the expert status holder, so it's very easy to set that strategy. Very easy. What you need to do, if you are not having an expert status, then you again go to this technical analysis area, go to open instrument list. The first option is indicator. Click to the SMA 1, then again open instrument list, click to the SMA twice, and again open instrument and click to the SMA third time. Now we have the SMA, 3 SMAs on our screen with the by default setting of 20. We need to click over here on the first SMA, set it with the zone of 50, line is become blue, then click on the another SMA, set it on the 100, line is become green, or line is depends on you obviously, and click on the third SMA, select the parameter of 200 and line become red. Alright, the strategy is set, no worries. But if you are an expert status holder, just go to the strategy section, advanced strategy, Jactar, enable, that's it, the easiest way. Alright, so we have this strategy called Jactar. We are going to discuss today about what is Jactar, how to trade with the Jactar as well, and what is the basic of this strategy. So this strategy basically Jectar consists of the three simple moving average, which is called in the short form SMA, with the classic period of 50, green and red. 50 belongs to the blue line, green belongs to the 100 line, and red belongs to the 200 line. So they are playing the role of the dynamically changing levels and support and levels of support and resistance. Those who already know little bit about trading, they very much know about the support and resistance level. However, we already have a one session before about the support and resistance, what is support, what is resistance, how to work with the support and resistance things. Basically, whenever we see a level, if the price is not going up from the particular level or not going down from the particular level, that is called support and resistance level. So basically the SMA with these periods are used by the huge number of traders around the world and allow you to accurately determine the price reversal. Remember one thing over here, and what is that? The one thing is, if you open the trades using this strategy, actually this strategy basically working fine with the a little bit high time frame, not with the 1 minute time graph time, I mean, not with the even a time frame of 15 second kind of, but if you can choose the graph time 5 minute, even 10 minute, 15 minute, you will have a chance to get better options from here. So always remember to open the trade by using the proper way and proper channel. I will discuss you about the SMA now. However, as you see that I already open a trade with the reversal. So the components of the strategy and what they are. SMA. The strategy is based only on the three SMA line, as you already see, 1500 and 200, which is blue, green and red. The SMA is the technical indicator for determining if an asset price will continue or reverse a bull and bear trend. What is the bull trend? Bull trend called upper trend. A bearish trend called a downtrend. It works by the calculating the average of an asset's price over some period. And what is that period? The period of 50, 100 and 200. The calculation of the 50 candles, 100 candles and 200 candles, and it can you provide that the trend is going where. Now the SMA can be used as a standalone tool or combined with the other indicators. Some of the people knows already that we have many of the strategies with the SMA, like diving, Japanese trend and horizon, and now Jectar we have. But you can use it with the particularly any other oscillator, or you can choose like the same which I am using. How to know the asset is going for an upper trend or going for a downtrend, and we will have a reversal. For reversal, I can show you the best possible way right now. How? In front of you already you saw that this all three lines, guys. Just watch these four lines. They started from the green one, then green second, then green third. This green line touched the red line, even going above the red line, but close below even the line of 50. If this candle going to close above the blue line or the red line, then we can think that gonna be upper trend, might be. But as you see, the candle is coming a very high. The candle is very high and it's going, touching the mark above the red candle, above the blue candle, but it's not closing. The closing is below the both line. That's why I open a trade for a downtrend and I got a profitable trade, and after that I also open a one more trade. However, I can say the trend can be touched like that area, or maybe we will have a one more reversal from here. I opened the trade a little bit late because usually what I'm suggesting to the traders, try to open the trade as soon as candle start. If you are choosing the 1 minute time frame, then better to open the trade within 10 minutes, 10 seconds, I'm so sorry, because it's very easy to reach right now the level of my opening of the trade. But if you could open the trade on the very highest way, I mean the starting point of the candle, then there will be a better chance to get a profitability. So this is the reversal pattern. Let's see what is the, again we are getting the reversal pattern. 200 line, guys, please understand, the line of 200 is very important here, because most of the times candles are touching the red line and we are getting the reversal point. If the candle crosses the red line, then we will have the change of the trend. So mostly you are checking this situation, like whenever the red line touch, we are getting a reversal point. Now see this condition of mine, my trade is going to be unsuccessful. If I could open this trade only on the starting point area, then still I got the profitable trade already after this candle. So how to check the downtrend? Again, once we saw the candle is coming and going below the line and closing, the closing of the candle is going to be below the any of the line, doesn't matter, it's going to be 50, 100 or 200, then we will have a chance to get a trend which is down. If the candle is coming from upper side, this is a clear pattern of the reversal. You can see the candle comes down, 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 it's touched the line and closing above the line, above the 50, and the next candle also open above the 50 line, and we will have a chance. You see the candle is going up, then again the next candle is closing above the line and the candle opening above the line, and we will have again the chance till over here. So once the lines, okay, let's check it out in the 5-minute time frame, it's gonna be more better. So once you see the candle is closing above the line and opening above the line, that means there will be a chance, might be, for the upper trend. If the candle is closing below the line and the next candle is also going to start below the line, so there will be might be a chance of downtrend. Reversal pattern I already showed you, again you can check. The candle slowly coming to the, reaching to the 50 level mark of the SMA, it's going above the mark line but closing below the line. So I can say this is a clear situation of the reversal. For upper trend also I showed you there, and now you can see also. In both circumstances, like we have this one and that one, the candle coming, touching the line, somehow it's going below the line, but the closing of the candle is above the 200 line. So one reversal pattern is here and second is this one. Importantly, you need to focus with the moving averages. Now how to trade with this strategy? So first of all, we need to focus about the asset. Remember always one thing, guys. Now you see the trend is a little bit coming high because the candle is going above the line, but importantly it needs to be cross this level, but the candle reaches that part and again coming down. Now it's very interesting to see, is this candle is going to close below the line or above the line? All right, so 1 2 3 on the start I open the trade. Let's see what will be the condition. So basically this is the basic trend to open the trade. Once you see from downside, however I could open the trade even here as well, but the 200 line is always crucial, as I mentioned you before, because this green candle closing above the 50 line and we have a new candle which is open in between the line of 50 and 100. If you can check it on the 5-minute time frame, then you will get a proper actually condition of the trend, which is, you can see the proper gap in the lines. If you can check it in the 1-minute time frame, then you will not able to find the gap in between the line. Why I'm saying this? Because whenever you are not having the gaps in between the line, you will not get the proper trend. Now easily you can check even here. Once you see the candles, the lines are going to be shrinks and these all lines are too close just because of the crossover. The 200 line cross the line from up to down, and you see the candle is like one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. That is called trend of uncertainty. That is actually called the trend of uncertainty. However, in the 5-minute time frame, if we can check that the situation is going to be below the line, the candle coming up but the candle actually closing below the line. So if there is condition like if you have two unsuccessful trade on one asset, always I suggest to the traders, please change the asset, timing of the trade, everything, and then go for the next. And it's not necessary to open the trade only with the composite index. You can easily open the trade with any currency, any of other assets like bitcoins and everything. We have many assets, currencies, metals, commodities, stocks, index, crypto, ETF, OTC, each and everything we have. So no worries, just find the signal and open the trade. This is, as I mentioned you before, the strategy which is basically a technical strategy. Whenever you are going to open the trade, you need to follow the basics. What are the basics? Always remember to open the trade with the trend. Whenever you have trend, either reversal trend or upper trend or downtrend, no worries. Just follow and open the trade. If you are getting the signals which is dicey, what is the meaning of dicey signals? The meaning of dicey signal means if the candle, one candle is green, one candle is red, if the trend, the candle is moving too much, like right now as you see, the situation is be like, okay, but candle is very big, but dicey moment is coming. Drop the idea to trade on this asset, please, because this is going to be unnecessary volatile condition for you. Because I am usually trading with the condition when I'm having a chance and when I'm checking all the things and I feel कि yes, this is the time of the trade, and I open the trade. Once I'm having the situation like, okay, I'm in the 50-50 condition, in the confusion or kind of situation, let me open or let me not open, so better I not open the trade in that moment. You should always remember to follow the basics. Okay, about the strategy. If you open the trade in forex, however, this is strategy working very much fine in the forex, very much fine. So if you wanted to open the forex trades, you need to check the graph time, which is minimum 15. Why I am removing this strategy? I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. So you need to check set the graph time, which is from 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. If you check the graph time of 15 minutes, 1 hour, then you will have a chance to get a proper trend. Because I remember I told you before, this is not the trend strategy. This is a technical strategy which is working fine. As much the higher graph time you will use with that strategy, better you will get the profitability with that. Because the lowest time frame is always dicey. So as you see, USD Canadian dollar. 1 hour graph time, the candle is reaching to that mark and below the chart, opening the candle which is below the chart over here, then till 50 it's crossed. However, the candles are moving near to the 50 level for some hours, no worries, but the overall trend you can see still the same situation, the candle coming below the line, the next candle is opening below the line, that is a 1 hour candle, however it's very short, but 1 hour candle, and overall trend you can check it from the below side of the first candle of 50 till reaching to the candle of 200, sorry, SMA 200, and still we are having a chance to get a downtrend. In the fixed time trade, the same pattern you need to follow. First of all, you need to follow the trend situation. Okay, when we are getting a trend, always remember, when the line are too close, do not open the trade. If the line is crossing, if the green line crosses the red line from up to down, this is the symbol of the downtrend also. If the blue line crossing the any line like green and red from up to down, this is also a symbol for a downtrend. If the blue line crosses the green line from down to up, bottom to up, and if the cross is already confirmed and cross is done, then this is the symbol for an upper trend. Basically, the candles we need to use the moving average of the candles, and we need to open the trade with that. Always remember, this is the time which is I am using right now for trading. This is always a very risky time of trading. Why I am saying this? Because this is the time to open a market condition of America. The new market opening, every day the American market is open. In this time, after 5 minutes, the American market will going to open. So always, because America is the, already you know, the powerful country of the world. So the market, whenever the market of America is open, then they will have a kind of fluctuation in the market, especially with those assets who's somehow correlated with the USD. And well, most of the assets are correlated with the USD. So usually I'm opening the trades with the $50 USDT, and I'm using the martingale system as well. You can choose the martingale system. The time frame. Before the time frame, let's get some signals and open some live trading with that. Mahajantar index for now, no signal. Mooch, no signal. Euro USD. Okay, let's decide about the time frame. The time frame, if you choose the graph time 1 minute, doesn't matter whatever the graph time you choose. Again, I'm repeating, if you very much want to open the trade with that strategy, try to use minimum graph time is 5 minutes. And please, for God's sake, do not open the trade if you are having this kind of candles, because this is the trend of uncertainty. Also remember, the the strategy is not the guarantee of the success. Maybe you just wanted to get some rocket science, but this is not the rocket science. If you choose the candles, if you choose the strategies, then you will have to practice with that, and at least you need to open minimum 100 to 150 trades with that, and that's after that you will become the used to of the strategy, that how the strategy is going to be work. So basically, once you saw the candle crosses the line from down to up, and next candle, if it starts above the line, any of the line, doesn't matter, open an upper trade. On the opposite hand, once you saw the candles coming below the line and new candle starts below the any of the line, that is the symbol for open to the downtrend. You can open the trade for a downtrend, but remember the thing which is very important, and that is, whenever you open the trade, try to open the trade with the fresh candle and fresh signal. The fresh signal is always like once the candle open either above or below the line, or even we will have a chance to get a reversal pattern, doesn't matter. But in both condition, you need to open the trades for the as early the candle open. Now you see, again I open the trade, and I'm late a little bit, around 10 seconds, and you know this is the movement of the candle right now. The candle moving too fast. Why? Because the American market is open, and every day we are having some different type of news from like war zone. So the fluctuations is too much high, especially nowadays. So we have only 2 minutes left for the opening bell of the American session. So try to avoid trading in that session, that time. Okay, so some of the things I'm sharing with you, if you can use like the USDT or USD, I'm giving you the normal example with that. Like if you open the trade with the, at least if you can average, make a calculation of the 100 trade, one by one, properly with the strategy. Just open 100 trade, and the amount of the trade is 100 USDT. Then your profitability is going to be, in the normal conditions, I'm saying in the very normal condition, you will have a chance to get around 60% profitability from that trade. If you're choosing 93%, any asset, doesn't matter. This is a sure shot calculation, but for this thing, 3 basic rules. 1, do not open the trade according to your gut feeling, first of all. Secondly, use the strategies. Third, use the strategy properly. Don't use the strategy according to your mindset. Please, don't use the strategies according to your mindset. Use the basic knowledge of the strategies and open the trade with that. And if you're really gonna do this, definitely you will see, and you can calculate with your trading, you will have a chance to get a trading which is going to be 60% profit ratio on your trading. Means if you put $1,000 or €1,000, then you will have a chance to get at least 60 trade, which is going to be 600, the amount of 600 which is going to be in your pocket. So remember and open the trade accordingly. All right, so timing and some suggestions. A period of high market activity means a better signal. And what is the high market activity? Right now you saw that we opened some trades in gold and the fluctuations is too high. This is not a high market activity time. If you remember, before I also told you we need to find a gap, but from here to till there is a no gap in between both all three lines. If no gaps means no proper signal. So high market activity period, whenever we are having a trend from down to up to down on reversal point, that is called high market activities. And the most active period, so basically according to around the world, if I can say, the most active time period is morning 8 p.m. to evening, morning 10 p.m. to evening 8 p.m. as per UTC plus 3 time zone. As per Indian time frame, I can say it's 12:30 p.m. afternoon to 10:30 p.m. evening. But try to avoid trading from the timing of 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. because this time there is some data is coming as well as some news is coming in the market. Also the American market is opening, so from 6 to almost you can see many newses are coming in the market. Try to open the trades with the at least minimum 80% profitability. Any of the asset you can choose, but open the trade with the minimum 80% profitability. And avoid trading during the news, important news releases like economic news. Avoid trading at that time because the fluctuations is too much high on that time. And you can choose the martingale system as well or loss compensation system as well with that. So this is the strategy called Jektar. One good advice for you guys: do not open the trade with the half mind. And whenever the storm is coming, we are not just going to face the storm with the umbrella. We are just sitting in the corner or standing in the corner to save ourselves, and we are waiting to end of the storm. Once the storm is finished, we start our things. So this is what I am going to tell you. When you saw the market is dicey, do not fight with the market. Try to avoid trading at that time, because if you could do that, you will save your money, you will save your energy, you will save your emotions, and after some time, when you see the market is not dicey and now the movement is a start, open the trade and get the proper results. All right, so let's have some questions. Okay. Alexander ji, hello. Hello guys. Jai Maharashtra. Jai Devbhumi. Okay. Khushbu Devi said that your voice is not too much loud. I think you need to increase the volume of your speaker. And I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Dog Ghost, what a name. Hello sir, I have deposited money in my NR account at previous month but still not appear in my account. I'm so sorry to hear about this situation, sir. I kindly request you to send the details to the support team as possible as earliest, and also if the 30 days passed, then kindly do one thing, please send the bank statement from the day of deposit to till the day when you are sending the details to them. And remember one thing, that doesn't mean that if you are putting the deposit and it's not appear. I understand your pain, but everything is not going according to the Olymp Trade. Like whenever you have a chance to get deduction from your account and we feel like okay, if the deduction is done, that means the amount is definitely going to credit, and now the fault of Olymp Trade. Not like that. Sometimes the money is stuck because of your wallet, because of the UPI, because of the bank also, because there is a 6th layer in between deposit and withdrawal situation. So try to discuss with your bank first and also send the bank statement to us. Our support team, definitely they will going to help you. Devendra Gaur, so tell me the CHF JPY. Nice question. CHF JPY. Okay, as per the graph, 4 hours CHF JPY. Sir, CHF JPY may be going to take some pattern from. I can say it will maybe touch the higher level, but that is the resistance level. If you wanted to open the trade with that, so first of all you need to wait of the level of this one actually. Yep. So you need to you should take the stop loss of 165.50, and if it's crossed this level, then I think it will gonna touch the higher level or near to the higher, and then you will get some kind of downtrend from in this currency, because JPY is already actually appears with the second currency. It doesn't mean sometimes our asset is grow, like Australian dollar JPY, Canadian dollar JPY. If you can check, every currency is growing against the JPY. So this is maybe not the fault of the only the next other currency. Maybe this currency is not growing. Maybe the JPY is actually down because the economic condition of Japan is not so good. So that's why the JPY has become down, and the other countries is other currencies are growing. That is called the correlations. So, okay, how to calculate PE? I'm sorry, SS Creations, I'm not get your point about the PE. Farhan Ahmad Shakil sir, Olymp Trade is real or fake? Many people said that withdrawal not receive. Many people don't too much think about that four peoples. If you are going to think about that four peoples, then what they that four peoples going to think, sir? There is a many peoples around with you. Ask them the withdrawal. Why company is not providing you the withdrawal? Any single reason? We are successfully completed the 9 successful years with your blessings and support. And if the company is not good in this kind of basic things, then boss, it's very difficult to survive in the market, because this is the battle market. So don't think about that. It's not fake. You can check each and everything from the company website. Like, we are the member of Financial Commission, the license and each and everything, and you can even see some of the awards which we are getting in the 2023 top brokers and all things in forex currency. In the don't worry, you can open the trade with the trust. Okay. Hello sir, how to start working with the Olymp Trade? Is there any eligibility of criteria? I didn't get your point. So working means you are asking about the job, or working means you are asking about the trading? So please clear your questions. Horizon 100 USD. I'm sorry, I didn't get your language. Ochai. Hello sir, do you think changing strategies so often is the best way to trading, or trying to master a particular strategy? Thanks sir, it's a very nice question, and I will give you the answer. We are driving a car and riding a bike. It's not possible to ride a bike or drive a car only in the single gear. Whenever I'm providing the consultation or I'm doing this using the strategies, I'm usually thinking about, my thinking is like, if I'm having an unsuccessful trade on a single strategy, 2 or 3 trades continuously unsuccessful, then I'm going to change my strategy. I'm going to change my timing of the trading. I'm going to change my amount as well. So there is no any single situation. Like, there is a league, we have this team, IPL, like India, Spanish league, there is a team, and we have different type of stars. We have Messi, we have Ronaldo. If the Messi and Ronaldo both are working in the same team, I don't think so. Then in every match they both are make a goal or hat trick of the goals. So try to different be master in the different strategies, not with the one. If the one strategy not work, then what is the plan B? So always make your plan B ready. Okay, Why someone is laughing? I think it can be, you should ask to someone actually. The someone need to answer. Hell devil, I need profit. Yes, you will get. You need to stop trading with the emotions and stop the conditions like to be rich very early. Trade with the patience. Definitely you will have the chance to get the profitability. Ritik Pandey, sir, bro, can you use the CCI I give you signal trade. Thank you so much, Ritik Pandey ji. I'm having an experience around more than 12 years of this trading. Thank you so much. I know how to CCI work, how to stochastic work, how to MACD work, and the thing is, depends on the signal and depends on the market. And we are here to discuss Jactar. So, anyone, not even you, anyone wanted to know about any of the strategies, any of the indicator, what you need to do, go to the help section. There is a help center, and you need to go to the second segment, which is called trading tutorials. And here you have a chance to get all the details about the strategies, about the indicators, about the tools, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, everything. Explain for the 5-second duration trade in line graph with the Jactar. Shantanu Bhosle ji, that the situation is going to be same once the line is crossed. But remember, the shorter time frame is always very risky, very risky. And I already mentioned in starting that this strategy is not belongs to the short term time frame. If you can open the trade with the minimum 5-minute graph time of 5 minutes and open the trade with the 10 to 15 minutes, that will be better for you. Either on minimum you can open the trade with the 1 minute graph time, and duration of the trading is going to be 3 to 5 minutes. Giratha Gogoi, sir, give a sure short trade. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, there is no chance to have a sure shot because this is trading. And if I have a chance to get a sure shot, definitely I could not sitting here and to provide you the consultation, guys. I'm sitting at my house and I'm just making money, you know. So it's not possible to get a sure shot everything. Okay. Can I have a free trade? I didn't get. I think you are asking about the risk-free trade. For that situation, I kindly request you please send your message to the support team, or you can get the risk-free trade once you reach the new levels. Here we have the levels, and which is from starting from the third, you are getting the risk-free trade, and you will have a chance to get $20 to risk-free trade till 28th level. If you reach the 28th level, then you will have a chance to get 2 trades of $250 each. Sir, sir, today I booked 3000 profit. Nice, very good. Thank you so much to share this situation. Your explanation is very clear and good, sir. Thank you so much. I'm trying to provide the better details rather than to giving the surety of the things like if you follow me, then you will have a chance to get a profitability. We have many of the peoples like that. So if someone have the sure shot or confirmed signals, then why to share? Use that confirmation for your own trading and become a billionaire. What is the problem on it? All right. Please provide how to choose the time frame for profitable trade. Yes. So this is the graph time. According to the, if you are going to open the trade with the support and resistance level, strategies, indicator, oscillator, or without anything, with the formation of the candlestick, whatever the, whenever we are clicking over here, we are having the graph time which is coming from 5 second to, for fixed time trade it's going to be 5, 15, 1, 5 minute, 10 minute and 15 minute, that is enough, or maybe 30 minute. Whatever the graph time you choose, guys, your trading time should be minimum 2 to maximum 5 times higher than your graph time. Example, if you choose the graph time 1 minute, if you choose the graph time or 1 minute, then you should open the trade with minimum 2 to 5 minutes. However, 2, 3 is quite enough. And if you choose the graph time or 5 minutes, then you should open the trade from 10 to 15. What is the minimum meaning of 10 to 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 to 15 minutes. If you choose the graph time of 10 minutes, then you should open the trade from 20 to 30, which is the average time frame. If you choose 15, then 30 to 45. And if 30 minutes, then 1 hour to 2 hour. This is the base. This is the basics. How do we know the chart is about to pump or dump? Yeah, good question, Mr. Austin. So whenever you see the candles, how mostly whenever we are getting the losses, there is three type of trends we have. One is called upper trend, when we are having a proper upper trend situation for a long trend time. One which is called downtrend, whenever we have a downtrend from up to down, the traders coming down and down. And one situation which is we called sideway. On the sideway, the trend is working in the particular range, but we have a chance to get a trade from down, up. But in that, this is the trend, which is we called the trend of uncertainty. Once we are having a one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. And if you are getting this kind of situations, change the asset. And even if you saw, like right now, even you see the same situation happen. And if you saw in all mostly asset the same condition happened, then stop your trading, drink a tea, coffee, beer, whiskey, rum, whatever you like, and wait for the signal. Remember, patience is the success of key rather than the strategies. If you are going to be patient, then definitely you will have a chance to get a profitability. If you are going to impatient, then you will become the overconfident. In the overconfident situation, nobody wins, guys. So this is the way. How many trades? Okay, Akshay Bande sir asking, hi sir, how many trades you take in the one day? How many sessions per week? Every week we are providing the 2 sessions on our Olymp channel, Olymp Trade Global, Wednesday and Friday same time. And we have a Hindi channel as well, that is called Olymp Trade India. On that channel also 3 sessions. So this is the sessions we are providing. About the trading, guys, you need to set a limit of your profitability, discipline of your trading. Usually the discipline is make a rule of the 20% profitability of your balance amount. If you will have the 20% profit in a day, take that profit, stop your trading, come to the next day and withdraw the profit. Why people's having this much losses? Some people just put okay, the average amount. Okay, I put $100 on the trading and I make from 100 to 500. But the amount of 500 seems very small for us, numbers, na? But we can't focus on the percentage. We already have a profitability of 500%. We already made a 500% profitability, but we wanted to more and more and more. That more and more and more created a problem in our mind because we didn't see the amount. Sorry, we just saw the amount, we didn't see the percentage of the profit. And once we are, some people are getting the 500 on the same day, some people are getting in a week. Guys, can you please tell me, do you have any other option around the world which is providing you the 20% yearly return? I'm sure that you will not have. And if you have it like 20%, even you need to put the huge money on it. But here everyone wanted to become a millionaire in the small amount, and they are getting the money. They got a profitability as well, but they don't withdraw the money. They wanted to become more and more, more and more. No. First of all, please remember the situation of break even. If I put $100 from my pocket, my first target to get this $100 back in my pocket. So when I get the 100, so like 25 times if I withdraw, I recover, I just get my $100 back in my pocket, and that is my reserve amount. And then I going to start trading with my profitability. And then I just think, okay, now I'm getting the 50. If I get 100 more, then I take $50 withdrawal and I keep 50 for the trading. So before you start with the 100, then it's going to be 150, then it's going to be 200, then 250, and slowly you can grow your account and get the withdrawal. Please make an exercise to withdraw your account after some profitability. Please withdraw your profit from your account. So guys, it's time to go. I hope that you like this webinar and the things which I'm providing to you. Thank you so much for coming. Pleasure to talk with you guys. Please, please take a very proper care of you and your dear ones. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Best of luck for your trading. Love you guys. Jai Hind. Namaskar. Good night. Bye.